Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Schlage keypad lock spins but won't unlock, don't worry. In this video, I'll go over 3 possible reasons why this happens and how to fix it. But before we start, just a quick note. While I'll cover the key troubleshooting steps, this isn't a full tutorial. If you need a detailed guide, let me know in the comments and I'll send you a link. Or you can check out other YouTube videos for in-depth walkthroughs. Now let's dive in and fix that lock. So here's the issue. You enter your code, you hear a click, but the lock doesn't engage. Instead, the knob just spins freely, and you can't unlock or lock the door. Sounds familiar? Let's take a look at what's causing this. The first thing to check is this small, spring-loaded pin. This pin should engage with the cog when the code is entered, allowing the knob to turn and unlock the door. If it's stuck at the bottom or misaligned, the lock won't function properly. Remove the back cover using a T15 Torx screwdriver. Locate the small spring-loaded pin inside. If the pin is out of place, carefully reposition it so it lines up with the cog. Reassemble the lock and test it by entering your code. Pro tip: if the pin is worn out or broken, you may need to replace it with a new one. Sometimes the internal spring loses tension, preventing the solenoid from pulling up the arm properly. Here's how to reset it. Remove the T10 screws and take out the internal mechanism. Locate the spring under the solenoid. This is responsible for engaging the lock. Gently pull out the locking arm, let the spring relax and reposition it. Reinsert the arm and make sure it sits properly on the spring. Reassemble and test by entering your code. Pro tip: if the spring looks stretched or damaged, replacing it will restore normal function. The third common issue is the alignment of the cog wheel inside the lock. If it's not engaging properly, the lock won't turn. Remove the back panel and inspect the cog wheel. Ensure it lines up with the solenoid pin when you enter the code. If misaligned, gently rotate it until it matches the locking mechanism. Reassemble and test the lock. Pro tip: if the cog is damaged, replacing it will be the best solution. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a fix.